Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants, and we're following up at our 1 year with Rembert. And how are you doing? Look at your hair.
Yes, my hair is amazing. It's growing every day. Now I have maybe 2 inches long. I feel like in my 30. I am 47 years old.
Wow.
So it's about 20 years less. My wife is like, oh my God, every day is growing. Nobody believes that the implant gets so good. So good.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. And I remember your beautiful wife, and
Thank
I'm
you.
sure you feel better being next to her now too, right?
Yes. yes.
Amazing.
Perfect. Amazing team, amazing doctor. Everything is good. Everything. And I'm waiting next January for the second one.
Awesome. Yep. We'll do a little bit more in the crown area, but the front looks natural. I'm very happy too.
Very. I can't. It's good.
Amazing.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.